Buen dia. Good morning. Going to pick my cousin up. It's 7 a.m. I'm not in the best mood, but hopefully these pastiches can bring some joy. I put a Facebook post basically a few weeks ago where I can find the best pastichi on the island, and today I'm on a mission. I'm going to check this out. I'm going to check them out. I think I'm going to 3 places. The 3 that they mentioned the most, democratically elected, more democratic than the Venezuelan election in 2024. And I think I'm going to rate them from 1 to 10. And pastichi are basically like a patty filled with meat, cheese. I like mine with cheese and ham, so I think I'm going to choose all of them ham and cheese if they have available. And let's see how the day goes. I'm half asleep, half hungry. I'm barely hungry yet. But we're going early because some of these places, I think they sold out before, let's say before 9 or 10. So we're early in the morning and we're hunting these pastichis down. The roads are empty. If you see this small hut on the left side of the road, these are like the pastichi type of places or empanadas. The only people on the road now are people that are going to work. I'm not going to work today. I'm on vacation, but I'm up 7 a.m. And the people going to school, so bringing their kids to school. Quite a few cars already, even though it's 7 a.m. What you were about to see is also another pastichi place. I don't know if it's open today. And the beautiful sky lighting up. I enjoy sunsets and also sunrise, but mostly I'm not awake for the sunrise. I'm waiting for my cousin 3 hours later. Buen dia, buen dia.
Good morning.
Buen dia, buen dia. So we just picked up Cartier. I'm driving and talking at the same time. I guess we can do it that in Aruba. We're headed to Kalbas to try out what I think or what I heard is like an Arubian pastichi hut, which is one of the best. And Cartier's here to help me out.
Hello.
I think we're going 3 places. One in Kalbas, one next to the airport or next to the dump, and one in Hooiberg. And which one is the one that you're mostly excited about?
Pricky boss, I heard is the best one, so I'm excited to try them.
Yeah, basically on the Facebook post, Pricky Boss got the most mention, so I'm also excited about that one. And I think they have the logo on the pastichi as well, so interesting. 7:30, I think. For a long time, I haven't experienced this morning traffic. People are so aggressive in the traffic, we might fight to get our pastichi today. Yeah, we're arriving because if you see a bunch of cars already parked there. 3-4 cars already parked here. See the Arubian flag? When you buy pastichi, you must get these ones. It's like a tradition. Maltemporar. Free Venezuela, of course. Sagadibo. Oh, thanks. Ladies first. It's pretty good. It has the crunchy texture, like a few bubbles, and it's filled with cheese and ham. This is a typical Arubian pastichi. I really like this one.
Typical, it's filled, and the texture, yeah, very good.
Now I know why there's a line here. They all come for the stuff. So this is the first one for today. I think we'll do the rating after we tested all of them. Because otherwise it won't be fair. It won't be fair. So I'm going to try the croquette. But this is not just a meat croquette. It's already getting points because it's longer than the other one. No, but this one is from, how do you say? A shellfish that they find in the sea that we eat here. We call it calco. So I'm going to try this out. Wait.
It's a slap.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm. Wow, you can taste the...
You can taste the sea.
The conch. It's quite good as well. Adabong. You can taste the sea basically. These 2 are for Sarah. And if you buy, there's always a brown paper bag and it must be oily. Watch out you don't get invaded by any country. I won't mention names. But it should be oily, otherwise it won't be good. See all the cars parked. Customers. Vámonos. On to the next one. I forgot to mention at Kalbas you can only buy cash, no transfer. Now we're headed to Pricky Boss. Pricky Boss got the most mention, so I'm excited for that one. The traffic is getting more intense as it's getting later. I'm already full.
No.
No, Joe, there's always room for Pastechi. But shit, man. We are searching for the Pricky Boss place. There are people running. That's what we probably should be doing. But we are not. We are eating as many Pastechi as we can. Shout out to Rainbow. This is the Arubian dump. I hope I can dump a few calories here. Wow. And it's raining. Bendición. Blessing. Oh, people running. Respect, man.
Damn.
Respect. Let's see if I see some cars along the way. Yes, I see some cars. What? Crazy. I think I'll park here. There's quite a few people here. So we're going to try this one out. This is the one that got the most mention.
I'm excited for this one.
He's really excited for this one. It's hot. Maybe it's good because it's hot. I don't know. Everything that is hot is good. It's better. Unboxing reveal.
Oh.
The size is bigger than the other one, than the first one. I think they have the logo on the... Do they have the logo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pricky Boss.
Oh,
That's
nice.
Very nice.
Yummy.
I can already see the cheese. Oh, it's hot.
It's very soft. Nice cheese. And a bone.
That's the test. You see I think the texture is more like the other one was more bubbly, and this one is more like smooth. Yeah, smooth texture. So that's the difference. Okay, I'm going to try mine. I cannot resist anymore.
Me gusta otro más.
Serio? Yeah. I got some controversial comments here. So, let's try this. The good thing about this is really hot, so I think it's really fresh. The texture is less bubbly than the other one. The texture is more like, more smooth. It's filled with ham. I don't know, it's a tough competition.
I will say the cheese and the ham have more taste. Like they're
Than the other one.
saltier.
Mhm.
Yeah. But overall, I think I like the other one more.
This one is definitely more saltier than the other one, and I don't think it's also fresher. But you cannot compare being more fresh because it depends when you get there and the time that they release another batch. So, but it's really good.
It's really good.
I understand why people recommend this one. It's going to be a tough competition. So we're passing by the airport and we're going to Hooiberg. Until now, it's a tough competition because, yeah, the other one is smaller, but the texture, it has like a bubbly texture, and the Pricky Boss, it has like a sweet taste to the dough or to the flour, whatever you call it. In Papiamento we say mansa. I don't know, it's tough. And now we're going to another one that they mentioned quite a lot as well, is the one in Hooiberg. And I think at the end we'll be rating all three of them. I won't say anything bad because at the end they're local businesses and you don't want to be, you want to support your local businesses. But so far so good. I need to go jog today to burn these calories. You see Hooiberg on the left. We're heading direction to Santa Cruz. There's a house over there and we're headed to that place and we're going to try the Pastechi there. Yeah, I already see the cars lining up. All these places, they have their faithful customers and they are pretty famous already. So I hope this video doesn't do anything that is going to get them more famous because they don't need more people. Yes, we are here. So we have the last Pastechi and we're headed to Hooiberg to try the last one out. I'm already full. But I'm excited for this one. Look at that beauty. Mostly people come here to run. We are here for a Pastechi testing. Pretty healthy, eh? Oh shit. Open it, open sesame. Okay. You need to play with the finger to open it, yeah? Okay though. We got the goodie, tester, the view. Look at the size of this thing. You know what Cartier did? He put it up like, you know, like in the Catholic Church. The sacred Pastechi. Okay, first, this one is huge. That's what my friend said. Cheers. Huh?
Cheers.
It's also different than the other one.
They're all different.
They're all basically different. I like this one because it's like more gummy. The dough is more gummy and chewy, and it's a bit sweet. Yeah.
They put a lot of ham in it.
Yeah, a lot of ham.
That's usually they put more cheese than ham.
Yeah, this one. I think mine is a bit different. You see? Oh shit,
yeah.
Mine is different. I'm already full, but this one, I'm enjoying this one. Wow, it's difficult. It's going to be really difficult. I think for the Kalbas one, you can eat 2. For the Hooiberg one, you can eat only 1 because it's huge. You see? I'm already halfway there. Pricky Boss is also big. I don't know. The one that they mentioned the most, I think, is in the last place for me right now. It's not bad. I like it. But I don't know. We got a friend right here. Happy customer. Wow.
I'm so full. But it's very good.
Yeah, it's very good. There's another piece. Okay, are you ready for his final rating?
The Kalbas, I'll give it a 9.
Wow,
It was very
Kalbas.
good. It was very good. One of my top.
That's the first one.
Yeah, first one. Pricky Boss, second one. I will give it a 7.5.
Pricky Boss 7.5.
And the Hooiberg, I'll give it a 7.
Okay, for me, it's a tough one. I think I like the size of Hooiberg, and it's also filled. Pricky Boss was pretty good balance, but Kalbas, it's a little bit smaller, but the texture and the taste. Kalbas had something like, I don't know, like the nostalgic
Exactly.
Pastechi. Yeah, it had like a,
Nostalgic.
yeah. But all 3 were good. I would recommend anybody to try all 3 of them. Not on the same day like we did. Each on separate days. So, I don't know. They all have something different. They have something unique. I don't know. Go try it out for yourself. I think my favorite would be Kalbas. And I would put second Hooiberg. And then I would leave Pricky Boss. Even though they're all close. I don't know, they're all close. But Pricky Boss, which was the most mentioned, I don't know, maybe my excitement was too high for the Pricky Boss. And
Yeah, mine too, because everyone mentioned that, so my expectations was very high.
yeah, for the Pricky Boss, my expectations was too high. So I don't know, I liked all of them.
But you have to give rating.
Yeah.
You have to give a rating.
I would give Kalbas a 9. Pricky Boss 7.5. And I don't know, I like this one more, so I would give this one an 8. 8, how do you say? The Hooiberg an 8. So, yeah. You see, it's just perspective. Everybody have their own
Yeah, and
favorite.
We're all different, so
Yeah.
it just depends.
You cannot compare. Even though we chose ham and cheese for all of them, but you cannot compare because even we got from the same place, we got different filling from the same place, so it's difficult. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll make more content of these. Next time we'll try some street burgers or something like that. But see you guys next time. Bye bye. Count your blessings and not your calories.